Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's January 24th, 2011. The Allendale conference is now complete, and we had a very successful conference. We had people there from as far away as Oregon on the west and the Maryland on the east. North Dakota, we had some people come from through some treacherous weather, so we appreciate the people that attended. I think everybody came away with increased understanding of what type of outlook we're looking for here in 2011. The market this morning, I think wheat market has kind of taken the lead here today. We've got wheat up anywhere from 9 to 10 cents, stronger than other grain markets. And a lot of that's because of demand. We closed strong on Friday, and today we've got follow-through demand. Jordan bought some wheat over the weekend, 150,000 tons or 3 cargoes. We also have got the Chinese New Year coming up, and that starts on February 5th. Which is a week-long event. So a lot of buyers in China are kind of getting their needs and books straightened out ahead of that time. Also, there's talk of the dry conditions in China's wheat growing area, and that is supporting wheat prices around the world as well as here in the U.S. Other markets, Argentina weather, they got some rain, improving the dryness or improving conditions in the dry areas. The problem there is that the crop has deteriorated so much that it may not do as much good as it would have if it came a few weeks early. The farmers in Argentina who have been on strike and a selling strike here for the last week should be back marketing grain here today. However, the next group that goes on strike in Argentina are the truckers and dock workers. They're scheduled to go on strike on Wednesday, so we'll have to see how that develops, and actually if they do go on strike. Brazil's weather seems to be providing good weather for growing conditions, and China did announce late on Friday that they would buy another 11 million metric tons, which is more window dressing than anything, because we know they need soybeans, and they are going to buy them no matter if they make an announcement like that. It just worked out that it was a good political situation to make an announcement, and that's why they did it. And I think it will help support the market, but not a big market mover here today. We've also got cattle on feed report that came out on Friday. It was a bit bearish with placement numbers up 116. Should be a little bit negative to the cattle market here today, although supportive to grain, because it's telling us that we're not slowing down demand for corn, because a lot of corn go into these cattle. So it's a supportive factor to the demand side on the grains, but a little bit negative as we look at the cattle trade here this morning. Cutout values were up 71 cents in the choice, down 22 in select. The hog futures cutout values there were down 31 cents. Futures, however, found some good support on Friday. Talk of some big pork exports to South Korea. They're battling a foot and mouth disease over there and trying to get control of it, and in process are slaughtering a lot of livestock, both cattle and hogs, and that opens the door there for more beef being shipped and more pork being shipped to South Korea. So that is definitely a supportive factor to our meat prices here in the U.S. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. We've got a lot of meetings planned here for the Midwest area, Iowa, Nebraska, over the next several weeks, and check our website for those dates. And if you got any questions, give us a call here at Allendale at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning.